the ability to eat and not worry about teeth loosening up while I'm talking. I mean, it's amazing the difference. My name is Kermit Hatfield, and I've received dental implants here at Hendricks Family Dentistry. In the past year, I have enjoyed my implants and bragged about them to everybody that I know. They are the best. As I had all of my implants put in, the prep was all digital beforehand and made it a lot easier to get through. You didn't have to have all of that goop in your mouth and gag and all of that. As you have a digital scan, it's so much easier. Dr. Jameson works with you to know exactly the kind of procedure you need. It's focused on you and what your mouth needs, and that's the most important part, I think.